The day the dinosaurs disappeared. A whodunit with cataclysmic consequences. Imagine hurtling back in time 66 million years. Lush ferns tower overhead, the air thick with humidity. Monstrous marine reptiles breach the surface of steamy swamps, while colossal pterosaurs with leathery wings cast fleeting shadows across the landscape. Welcome to the Cretaceous period, a vibrant world teeming with life, dominated by the mighty dinosaurs, the undisputed rulers of the planet for over 150 million years. Then, in a blink of geological time, the dinosaurs vanished. For decades, the culprit seemed clear: a monstrous asteroid, 10 kilometers wide, slamming into Earth with the force of 1 billion atomic bombs. This dramatic impact left behind a signature, a layer of iridium-rich rock, a smoking gun pointing to a cosmic killer. But what if the story isn't quite so simple? Recent discoveries paint a far more complex picture, one that suggests the dinosaurs may have been the victims of a double whammy: a slow, agonizing demise, followed by a swift, brutal blow. Enter the Deccan Traps, a vast volcanic region located in what is now India. The slow burn. A volcanic nightmare awakens. Millions of years before the asteroid's fiery arrival, a different kind of monster stirred beneath the Earth's crust. Millions of years before the asteroid's fiery arrival, a different kind of monster stirred beneath the Earth's crust. The Deccan Traps, a behemoth of volcanic activity, began to show signs of life. Unlike the sudden explosive eruptions we typically associate with volcanoes, the Deccan Traps unleashed their fury in a slow, insidious way. Imagine a landscape stretching as far as the eye can see, dotted with countless volcanoes, each constantly belching forth a noxious cocktail of gases: sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide. At first, the emissions were negligible, a whisper in the grand scheme of things, but whispers, especially persistent ones, have a way of turning into shouts. Over hundreds of thousands of years, the gases silently accumulated like a poison, slowly seeping into the environment. This wasn't a quick kill. It was a slow, agonizing suffocation. The world starts to choke. The consequences of the Deccan Traps' relentless emissions were devastating. The carbon dioxide acted like a blanket, trapping heat from the sun and causing a global temperature rise. Lush rainforests, once vibrant ecosystems, began to wither under the relentless heat, replaced by drier, savanna-like environments. This warming, however, was just the first act. The sulfur dioxide, on the other hand, had a more immediate and deadly effect. As it mixed with water vapor in the atmosphere, it fell back to Earth as acid rain, poisoning freshwater sources and wreaking havoc on delicate ecosystems. Scientists believe this acidic rain may have even dissolved the calcium carbonate shells of marine organisms, disrupting the base of the ocean's food chain. A world on the brink. The effects of the Deccan Traps weren't limited to the atmosphere and the oceans. The constant spewing of lava had a profound impact on land as well. Gigantic rivers of molten rock flowed across the Indian landscape, incinerating everything in their path. Earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic ash clouds choked the skies, blotting out the sun and further disrupting life-sustaining ecosystems. By this point, the dinosaurs were already facing a struggle for survival. Food sources were becoming scarce, and the changing climate was pushing them to the brink. They were weakened, vulnerable, sitting ducks for the final, devastating blow. The final act, a cosmic bullet. Then, around 50,000 years after the Deccan Traps began their reign of terror, a cosmic bullet pierced the Earth's atmosphere. The asteroid, hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds, slammed into the planet near what is now Mexico. The impact triggered a chain reaction of unimaginable violence. Earthquakes that rattled the entire planet, tsunamis that rose hundreds of meters high, and wildfires that engulfed entire continents. A thick cloud of dust and debris choked the atmosphere, plunging the Earth into a years-long period of darkness. For the already struggling dinosaurs, the asteroid impact was the final nail in the coffin. Unable to adapt to the sudden, drastic changes in their environment, they perished in droves. The reign of the giants had come to a sudden and brutal end. The aftermath. A world transformed. The combined forces of the Deccan Traps and the asteroid impact left a world forever changed. 75% of all life on Earth, including most dinosaurs, was wiped out. Lush rainforests were replaced by barren wastelands. The once teeming oceans lay silent and lifeless. It was a mass extinction event unlike any other, a stark reminder of the immense power and unpredictability of nature, a glimmer of hope in the ashes. However, even in the face of such devastation, life clung on. Small mammals, relatively unaffected by the global cooling caused by the impact dust, emerged from the shadows and began to fill the ecological niches left vacant by the dinosaurs. Over millions of years, they would evolve into a diverse array of creatures, eventually giving rise to our own lineage. This remarkable ability of life to endure and adapt even in the face of catastrophe is a testament to its tenacity. The whodunit unfolds, a murder most foul. The question remains, who was truly responsible for the dinosaurs' demise? Was it the slow, insidious poisoning by the Deccan Traps, or the swift, brutal blow dealt by the asteroid? The answer, it seems, is both. The volcanic eruptions had already weakened the dinosaurs and disrupted ecosystems for millennia. The asteroid impact then delivered the final devastating blow. It was a 1-2 punch that proved too much for even the mighty dinosaurs to withstand. A serial killer lurks beneath our feet. The story of the dinosaur extinction becomes even more intriguing when placed in a broader context. Recent geological studies suggest that the Deccan Traps might not be an isolated case. Evidence points to a chilling possibility. Most major extinction events throughout Earth's history coincide with periods of intense volcanic activity. This pattern suggests a horrifying truth. The Earth may harbor a serial killer lurking beneath its surface. These massive volcanic eruptions, while slow and drawn out in human timescales, could be responsible for some of the most dramatic shifts in life on our planet. Each eruption spewing out unimaginable quantities of greenhouse gases and choking the atmosphere with ash, fundamentally altering the planet's climate and disrupting the delicate balance of ecosystems. A race against time. Can we predict the next cataclysm? This revelation raises a critical question. Could such a cataclysmic event happen again? The answer is yes, but with a caveat. Unlike the dinosaurs, we have the advantage of scientific knowledge and monitoring tools. Geologists are constantly studying the Earth's interior, looking for signs of volcanic activity. While predicting the exact timing of an eruption might be difficult, any significant volcanic activity would provide ample warning, potentially millions of years in advance. This time frame would allow humanity to prepare mitigation strategies or even explore possibilities of planetary escape pods, although that's a story for another time. A cautionary tale and a call to action. The story of the dinosaurs serves as a stark reminder of the immense power of nature and the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Even seemingly minor changes in the environment can have cascading effects, leading to catastrophic consequences. It's a cautionary tale for our own time as we grapple with the challenges of climate change and environmental degradation. The story also compels us to be better stewards of our planet. By understanding the forces that have shaped Earth's history, we can make informed decisions about our future. By transitioning to cleaner energy sources and implementing sustainable practices, we can mitigate our own impact on the environment and potentially avoid triggering a large-scale extinction event of our own making. The enduring legacy of the dinosaurs. Though the dinosaurs themselves are gone, their legacy lives on. Their fossilized remains continue to inspire awe and wonder, providing us with a glimpse into a bygone era. Birds, the feathered descendants of theropod dinosaurs, are a living testament to the dinosaurs' enduring presence on Earth. By studying these magnificent creatures, we gain a deeper understanding of the history of life on our planet and the forces that have shaped it. The story of the dinosaurs' demise is a complex whodunit, a tale of slow-burning environmental degradation punctuated by a sudden, violent act of cosmic destruction. It's a story that continues to captivate us, reminding us of the power and fragility of life on Earth. It's also a story filled with hope, a testament to life's remarkable ability to endure and even thrive in the face of unimaginable challenges. The next time you gaze at the stars, remember the dinosaurs, the giants who once ruled the Earth, and let their story serve as a reminder of our own place in the grand narrative of life on this incredible planet. Which part of the dinosaur extinction story surprised you the most? Were you Team Asteroid or Team Volcano? Did this video spark any burning questions about dinosaurs or the future of our planet? Let us know.